Quotes and what they mean for CMOs. Albert Einstein was a Nobel Prize-winning physicist best known for developing the theory of relativity, but he also made other important scientific contributions. Einstein was creative, inquisitive, and intelligent. A journalist once called him the thinker with the head of a poet. Perhaps that's why his quotes have endured for so long and have been so valuable to so many. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. The message here is never stop growing and improving. Even top performers must evolve and improve, or they will be left behind. Take Oracle Red Bull Racing as an example. They wanted to bring their fans closer to the racing action to reward them for their loyalty. What helped? They looked at the right metrics to see what made fans engage and excited. 2. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. In digital marketing, imagination means a lot, but your customer data should show you where and how to use it. Let your content marketing and campaign ideas flow. After all, without creativity, what do you have? But make smart use of your metrics and customer data to see what campaigns and content your customers respond to in order to refine your marketing strategy. 3. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. Curiosity means asking questions and finding answers. What do your customers want? What channels do they prefer? What content and offers? Finding out separates you from the competition. 4. The only reason for time is so that everything doesn't happen at once. Albert has some great advice in this one. Slow down. Pace yourself. There's no law that says you have to implement all of your great ideas at the same time. This can be a challenge for hard-charging CMOs. 5. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. The rise of the genuine influencers is changing cause marketing for the better. During the pandemic, social media influencers shifted gears to focus more on highlighting imperfections in brands. Too many brands were using a cause to attract consumers but weren't living up to their promise. When their duplicity was uncovered, it caused severe brand image damage that may last for years. 6. It should be possible to explain the laws of physics to a barmaid. This seems like a no-brainer. You should be able to tell your story, your team's story, what you plan to do, why you plan on doing it, how you plan on doing it, and so on in simple terms. This is not physics, and it's not rocket science. It's digita. 7. Let us not forget that human knowledge and skills alone cannot lead humanity to a happy and dignified life. How do you go beyond human skills and knowledge? Try AI since it can supplement the great work your teams are doing. Did you know that 86% of companies that fully embrace AI created better customer experiences? Marketing solutions that incorporate AI reduce costs and boost your team productivity. How? By automating data-driven tasks that automate tasks and personalize the experiences you provide. Increased efficiency, revenue, customer retention ratio.